Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back again for another video. We are here for another hairstyle. So I know you will be like, oh, what is she doing? These are rollers. Uh, Trying to show you what I'll be using to roll my hair, my my crochet, my yarn hair crochet using a yarn hair. They call it a yarn crochet, whatever, like 100% a yarn hair. So you can actually see that I'm like rolling it over and over around. So make sure that as you're rolling the hair, you are twisting it and rolling at the same time, twisting and rolling, because you did not just roll, because if you just roll it, the coils won't come out. Make sure you twist and roll, twist and roll. Yeah, so this is just an example of the rest of what I'll be doing. So I'm not going to show you everything. Yeah, I'm just showing you how I will be rolling like close to 10 roll-ons. Yeah, so we are here for another crochet hairstyle that I've been wishing to do on my head, that I saw and I fell in love with it, and then I was like, okay. So when you're rolling, you do not more. It's not a must to like tie it at the tip. You can tie it at the middle part, just like you saw me. So now I'm done rolling. While I was rolling, I had my hot water on the gas, on the stove. So now I have to cover it for like the next 2 hours. I left it there for like hours. So while my hair was in the hot water, I have to start up with my cornrow. So before I start my cornrow, I need to put my gel at the front. Yeah, that's the style. That's the style I'm about to bring out right now. That is a hairstyle I'm about to bring out right now. So this is how it starts. I start by putting my gel, comb it. The gel is not enough. Behind the camera, I have to add more gel. Comb it, and add it. Then afterward, did my cornrow like you see me do right now. Guys, this is what I've been doing. I will keep doing it to the end. So pretty much I showed you how I will be showing you every step, how I cut up the lines and so on and so forth. So when you're cutting up the lines, you do not really start from the front. What you see in the video right now, the front line will be covered afterward. This kind of hairstyle, you do not start the lines all the way to the front, because the tendency is for the lines to start behind, or the front hair will be covered with hair, right? So you do not start breaking the lines in the front, just like you see, and then because you're not going to start braiding it right at the top, you start a little bit behind. Okay guys, let's keep watching. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe.
Happy is the perfect word to describe how I feel. When I'm with you, I'm at ease. I can let down my hair. We can be silly together. I don't have to pretend. With you, I'm happy just being myself. In your company, I'm never bored. We can have fun whether we're indoors or outdoors. I content in your arms. No matter what life throws our way, as long as we're together, nothing can bring me down. With you by my side, I can take on the world. When I'm with you, I don't need anything else. Just your love is all I need to be happy. Without you, I'm incomplete. But with you, I'm finally complete. So as long as you're with me, I'll be happy.
Get notified. Thank you. So guys, so we carry on with the braid. The reason why I have to take you all the way step by step is because I really want you to actually see how I did it from start to finish. Though not completely every step, because if we want to do every step, we're gonna be here for the next 1 hour, and I'm not trying to finish up your data. So that's why we can't do everything, but at least I need to show you every section I'm doing, how I started, how I ended. Believe me, I have a front and back mirror in case you might be surprised how I do break up my lines without seeing. No, I actually have a backward mirror. You all remember I had promised to buy a mirror that will help me visualize the backside, because a lot of times before now, a lot of times I struggled with the breaking of lines without a mirror. So I ended up buying a new one that is helping me. So remember I told you I would add so I added the gel and it brought out the beauty. Now it's time to start doing my crochet. I have to undo all the quarries, all the hairs on the roller. Yeah, I have to undo it all the way, then part by part, like 2 or 3. Thank you guys. Then I use it. Like, share. Then as you do the hair, make sure you try to measure the length from bottom to top. You don't just cut it anyhow. Try to estimate. This length could go all the way to the top. This is what I'm measuring. Then the bottom part of it, you have to cut the hair like in 3 pieces. So this is how my hair finally looked like. Now it's time to start crocheting. So I'm not gonna show you every step, because if we want to watch every step, then we have the whole day or the whole time on this little hairstyle. So guys, don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe, continue to watch, comment, share. Tell a friend to tell a friend that I posted another video for you to come and view. Please guys, comment. Tell me what I could do better and so on. Thank you guys.
It boils my blood, it boils my blood. You feel the same, I can see it when you're smiling. You feel the same, I can see it when you're smiling.
All the time, can't hold on to you no more. Can't hold on to you no more. Can't hold on to you no more. If you want me all the time, all the time, I won't fall for this again.
So guys, as I'm almost done. As you can see, I'm almost done. So trying to round up, going all the way to the top to at least cover up the bright lines. Go to this other side, check the side. That's it. That's what I was able to do for this hairstyle. That's the hairstyle I've been struggling to do, guys. So do not hesitate to like, share, subscribe. That's it. Bye bye. I love you guys. I love all my viewers. I love those who are sharing. I love those who are commenting. Do your best to say something that will help me to grow. See you in my next video.